Hello friends, how are you? In today's video I will show you how a hinge blade is made. This blade is prepared specially for shoe cutting. Today I will demonstrate step by step how to make this blade, which will help you do cutting easily and create shoe patterns according to proper methods. This technique is widely used in Asia, and with this method, cutting becomes much easier and more accurate. We are making this blade using a machine. This video is for you. If you like it, please follow, like and share. Thank you very much, and we will keep bringing you more useful videos like this.